Oh yes. Oh, look at this. Flying termites after a heavy downpour last night. Look, I've collected them in my basin. Yes. Look at them. Oh yes. Oh yes, look at them. Look. Oh yes. They also make a very good delicacy. Oh yes. Human beings also feed on them. Oh yes, I'm told that you just need to fry them. And they make a very good meal. Oh yes, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh yes, the frying termites make a very good meal. Oh yes. Sandelikas. Oh yes, look at it. Look at it. Wonderful. After a heavy downpour last night, this is what I found this morning. And after collecting them, I'm going to feed them to the chickens. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. A nice meal for the chickens. Oh, thanks for the heavy downpour. Heavy downpour tonight, last night. Look at it. They are collected. They are attracted by. They are attracted by light because that's where there is light. That's where they are attracted, and that's why they fall here. Thank you very much. Look at it. Look at it all over. Across the stairs, down the stairs. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Sorry. And